Hi guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I took my own advice and toned down my look for the day. I'm sorry. I came in here really early this morning because of the sleep issues, and I just I pulled out a whole mess of stuff and was just messing around. This is what I ended up with. I did want to tell you this that I really was unsure about. This is the Unearthly Cosmetics blush that came with the Valentine's Day box. It's actually pretty nice. Go figure. And I got in a small, was all skincare and stuff, but I ordered one satin blush. Now I want you to notice what it says right here, what kind it's supposed to be, and look what it says on top, if you can see it, what I ordered. Well, this is what's inside the case. Somebody made a mistake. Fortunately, I mean, I think that it's a knockoff of Pillow Talk. I mean, these are nice lipsticks. I'm wearing one today. So, you know, I'm going to keep it, but should I keep it? What do you guys? Tell me what I should do, because when I open it, I'm like, wait a minute. That is not what I ordered. Okay, so today is a so special episode. I am going to give you my trash, my 6 months worth of trash. I was not doing these before, and it's actually not 6 months worth because I found out that y'all still wanted me to do them, and so it was then that I started collecting. It should go pretty fast, keeping in mind that a lot of these are my hubby's, not mine. That's why I'm just going to roll on through them. First we have my, hopefully it shows up, this is my Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. You guys know I was panicking as I was running out of that one. I already got my new one, which is half gone already. Then let's see if I can put these two together. I have Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleaning Water. This is mattifying. Didn't know that when I bought it. I would not buy this one again. And this one here is all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup. Yeah, this one I like, but it's not my favorite. My favorite is the pink one. Let's see. No, I don't have any empties here of that yet, but I have one in my bathroom right now. Okay, then we have, don't ask me what. Okay. These are exactly the same. And I have one more that I threw in the trash thinking that these were different. But they're not. This is just mouthwash. Nobody wants to have stinky breath. Alright. Then this is one of those was my husband's, one of those was mine. I don't know whose I threw in the trash. Could have been either or. This is Irish Spring Original Clean. And this is my husband's. Yeah, unless I was in the forest, dirty, and needed to really get clean, that'd be about the only way that I would use this. But, anyway. Now, we have one a day. I think these are, yeah, they're gummies. These are my husband's. Currently, I am not taking vitamins. They want me to take vitamins, but can't figure out what kind of vitamins. They're telling me over the counter, and I'm like a lot of people. Vitamins make me sick. Sick to my stomach, I mean. So, that's an issue I haven't resolved yet. My husband already repurchased those. Then, we have his skin bracer. Again, you know, my Clean Close Shave does not involve this. He repurchased. We have Cremo. I'm not really sure because, again, this is shave cream. I have no idea. but this is the one he's used since I've known him, 12, 13 years, so, yeah. I sprayed the crap out of my face to keep it from, you know, like going everywhere. I'm going to give you the last of what his are, so I can, the last of which will be only mine. Well, this was technically mine. This is the Dionis Goat Milk Skincare hand cream. He needed something for his hands, and I asked him to demo this for me, and then at the end of, you know, he's pretty much squeezed everything he can. He loved this, so I'm not sure if if he wants to buy it again. Currently, I think I have him trying something else, but this one was a big hit. So if you got this in your Ipsy, or it came in one of the boxes, it apparently is really super good, and for men as well. So there's that. Now, okay, I went through, me and Kathy both, one of the purple, that's not showing it, well, purple's a shade, I can't, this is Makeup Remover Ultra Soft Cleansing Towels. This is one, and you got to keep in mind how much we used to go through, and this is in however many months. I don't use them on my face anymore, so that's probably why it's slowed down. And then a Hydra Boost, which these are my favorite, and this is just Makeup Remover. They're all Neutrogena, and they're all expensive for these. You can get them cheaper, but I'm allergic to every single one I've ever tried, and I don't think they remove makeup as good as these did. I mean, of course, I still use them for, like today I had swatches all over me, and for the most part they're all gone, but I will tell you, the Milani that I had put in that bin to use, when I think about it, it was bad, and it stained my hand. So, you know, I'm glad that before I stuck that on my eyeballs, I checked. Then I have these, which they are Simply Soft Premium Cotton Cleansing Pads. These are my favorite, but I have so many. I ordered, again, this was one of my stupid orders that I wasn't paying attention. I have the small ones. They're like this big around. I can't justify myself buying anything else unless I'm desperate, and I'm getting there, other than those cotton rounds until they're gone. So, two of these were in here before that happened. Neutrogena, my face, Shield Cream. This one's empty. Already replaced once. So, then this is something, whoa, that I use on my, okay, now you can really tell. If you can see in there, there is nothing. I even scraped the sides. This is for your neck. Now, when lately I've been having a hard time. I had let y'all know I stopped doing my routine, which included not doing this. So, you know, with these kind of products, you always have to keep using them. It's like anything else. Otherwise, you're gonna go, well, I don't know about the, you know, anything else. I'm talking about like this, and I don't want to name the other one right off the bat, because anyway, you have to continually use them. I am currently trying to get back the elasticity that I had I already repurchased this, and I have another one that's coming on the way from Walmart. They separated my order for whatever reason. Okay, and this, there's nothing. I was leaning this over and like trying to, you know, spray it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I bought that 2-pack, so I'm about halfway through one of them, because that Wee Cherie spray with the cherries came in, and that's what I used today. I love it. So we'll see how my face with my 10 pounds of makeup, how it holds up. This, I know I lamented with all of you, my Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake Powder, which I bought 2 more. I'm currently using 1, and I have 1 in backup. This is my favorite. I hate to, make it that I'm gonna be, but this should be on my best of 2024. It's gonna be. Okay. Then, this is a ColourPop brow pencil, which I used. I don't think I could get, it's right at the tip. I don't know if you can see that. I couldn't get any more out of it. It was okay. I mean, not life-changing. If I had a sale like I caught these at, yeah, I'd buy one and use it. So, yes on this. And then, I know that the people that have been here for a while know that I will never purchase these. This was a sample that came from Sephora, I believe. It's the Drunk Elephant Bronzer Drops. No. But I did use a set, so I should get points for that. And the last thing, you guys, I told you I was going to jam through these, is the Fat Water from Fenty Skin. It's Pore Refining Toner Serum. I'm addicted to this. I have 1 bottle I'm currently using, which has about half in it, and then another bottle under the sink. So I'm so afraid. It says, what did it say under the item? You know how it says if it's limited, like they're going to just take it away. Please God, no. But I'm guessing they might, but maybe, hopefully not. Okay, that is all my empties. I was not saving them for a while, so there was definitely more. But if you want me to do these every, I don't know, you let me know how many months you think is good. I can remember back when it was like every other week or every week people were doing empties. But I just think that I certainly don't make enough empties with all the makeup that I have. I don't use enough of it to make anything that's not repetitive, which is what was happening with me, and that's why I stopped. But yeah, we had a wide variety today. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I did this again, but I do love how it turned out. I will put everything in the description box in case you're wondering about anything that's on this face. And in case you're one of the new subscribers, if you go down in the description box, everything on my face will be put in order that I put it on my face. So number 1 is the first thing I put on, and the last one is the last thing that I did. Okay, guys, have a good one, and wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have some fun, but stay safe. Watch your surroundings, you guys know, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.